Morning, sir. Good morning, friends. I'm M. Monica. I'm MSc Biotechnology first year. I'm from SK University. I'm telling about eukaryotic RNA polymerase. What is RNA polymerase? RNA polymerase is a multi-enzyme that synthesizes RNA molecules from a DNA template. This process is called as transcription. In transcription of genetic information into RNA is the first step in gene expression. Is that precedes the translation. This process of decoding RNA is into proteins. Next, we will discuss introduction of RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase is an enzyme that produces the RNA in the cell. The polymerase enzymes is very essential for the existence of more and more are found in all organisms too. RNA polymerase was discovered by Samuel B. Weiss and J.R. Hedwitz in 1960. In eukaryotes, a single type of RNA polymerase is seen. In it synthesizes all different types of RNA such as mRNA, rRNA, and tRNA, miRNA, and ribosome. Next, depending upon the organisms, RNA polymerase can be a protein complex and multi-subunit RNAP or only consist of a one subunit, but single subunit RNAP, ssRNAP also consist, each representing on the dependent lineage. In eukaryotes have the simple multiple types of nuclear RNAPs, each responsible for synthesis of distinct subset of RNA. And the former is found in the bacteria, archaea, and eukaryotes alike, sharing a similar core structures and mechanisms. Eukaryotics and archaeal RNAPs have more subunits than the bacteria. One do the control differently. Next, RNA polymerase and structures. RNA polymerase consists of a main parts here. We are seeing a polymerase movement and unwinding of DNA or DNA, RNA and DNA hybrid regions and NIPS, rewinding of DNA template. We can observe in diagrams all will kind of so 3' 5' strands also will consist. Next, structures. RNA polymerase codes there from E. coli consist of a 5 subunits, 2 alpha subunits of 36 kilodaltons and beta subunits of 150 kilodaltons. Beta prime subunits is 155 kilodaltons, and also same weight of 150 kilodaltons is omega subunit. A sigma factors binds to the core forming a holoenzyme. Subunit structures of eukaryotic RNA. Polymerases all three have the multiple subunits. For example, 8 to 14 subunits it contains. Molecular weight of the polymerase is about 5 lakh. Some more subunits are common in to all of 3 RNA polymerases. 3 all RNA polymerases have the subunits that homologous bacteria like beta, beta prime, and alpha subunits. Synthesis of RNA polymerases. Messenger RNA and transverse RNA, ribosomal RNA, microRNA, catalytic RNA are we discussed in before the point. Messenger RNA means a template for the synthesis of proteins by ribosomes. Type transfers means transfer of specific amino acids to grow a polypeptide chains in the ribosomal site of proteins synthesis during translation. Ribosomal incorporates into a ribosomes. It is a component of ribosomes. MicroRNA regulates the gene activity. Catalytic of RNA means a ribosome enzymatically active in all RNA molecules. Next, purification of RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase can be isolated by a phosphocellulose column by a glycerols, mainly. Gradient centrifugation of DNA column by an ion chromatography column. RNA polymerase is essential to life, is very important, and is found in all living organisms and so many viruses. For example, bacteria and archaea have only on the one RNA polymerase. Next, RNA polymerase types. Types of RNA polymerase means RNA is divided into 3 types: RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2, RNA polymerase 3. 3 RNA polymerases in eukaryotes you can observe. Simply you can easily understand. RNA polymerase means peri-RNA, and it is in alpha amantine. It is in incentive. RNA polymerase 2 in pre-mRNA. Some snRNAs also is present. It is very sensitive. RNA polymerase 3 is a pre-tRNA, other small RNA. Some snRNAs is less sensitive, alpha amantine. Next, different types of RNAs in polymerases. There are the 2 types of RNA polymerase in prokaryotes, we can also observe the RNA polymerase, but we are discussing about eukaryotes. In prokaryotes like bacteria have only one polymerase that transcribes all types of RNA, but in eukaryotes like plants and mammals can numerous forms of RNA polymerases. RNA polymerase 1, it synthesizes pre-rRNA 45S and 35S in yeast, which matures will forms the major RNA sections of ribosomes. Ribosomes have molecular mass of around 500 kilodalton. The rate of transcription of RNA polymerase is very slower than RNA polymerase 2. It is only having the 20 nucleotides. These transcripts are produced within the nucleus and a region within the nucleus where ribosomes are assembled. It is an enzyme copies the DNA to RNA or RNA. It is a type of RNA that almost a subunit ribosomes of RNA synthesis. Synthesis is a RNA from a large subunit ribosomes and termination by it involves a DNA binding protein. But coming to RNA polymerase 2, RNA polymerase 2 transcribes the protein coding genes. Mainly it involves in the protein coding genes and in messenger RNA. It contains a 12 subunits and enzyme complex works in the different directly influences gene expressions through a production of pre-mRNA transcripts. Once the pre-mRNA are released by RNA polymerase 2 within the nucleus, biochemical modifications are you can observe and prepare the transcripts from the translation. RNA polymerase 2 also produces a microRNA, miRNA, you can also call molecules. It has 10 to 12 subunits, RP with 1 to 12, whereas in RPB 1 to 12 subunits we can observe them. These non-coding transcripts can mediate the gene expression and the activity of mRNAs after transcription. It is an enzyme found in eukaryotic cells and it helps in the transcription catalysis of DNA to synthesize the precursor of mRNA and most in snRNA, miRNA. We can see observe the structures of RNA polymerase 2 in yeast and T equitius RNA polymerase cone in, we can observe diagrams. It is having a homologous subunits are colored the same. That the yellow color we observe the RPB3 and orange color and yellow color we can observe RPB11, RPB2 wheat, red color and pink color. We can observe in diagrams clearly they given. Subunits of yeast RNA polymerase 2 has some approximate subunits based upon the size and polymerase and all of the component. We can see all here. Next we discuss about RNA polymerase 3. RNA polymerase 3 transcribes the rRNAs genes into a small RNAs like transfer RNA and 5S rRNA to tRNA and other smaller RNAs. These smaller RNA transcripts play a role normal cell functions throughout the nucleus and cytoplasm. This enzyme complex has a more limited role than the polymerase 3 in prokaryotic cell. The genes transcribed by RNA polymerase 3 fall in a category of housekeeping genes who express in all liquid cell types and environmental conditions. It will works in all cell types of and environmental conditions. Therefore, the regulation of poultry transcription is primarily tied to the regulation of cell growth and the cell cycle. Thus, we recurring a few regulatory proteins than the RNA polymerase 2 in RNA polymerase 3. And also, we can observe the RNA polymerase 4, 5, but we are discussing about RNA polymerase 4 and 3 exclusively found in their plants. Mainly RNA polymerase 4 and 5 are transcription enzymes that evolved as a specialized forms of RNA polymerase 2. Both enzymes are produce a small interfering RNAs, means siRNA transcripts which it plays a role in silencing of plant genes mainly. They also help in addition of ssRNAPs and chloroplasts also encode the bacteria like RNAP. We can observe the difference between prokaryotic eukaryotic RNA polymerase RPC1 and RPCA2 like plus 9 others and more RNA polymerase 1, 2, 3. There we are observing RNA polymerase having more number of polymerases. Functions control of mainly RNA polymerase has functions like control of gene transcription, affects in patterns of gene expression, and thereby that allows the cell to adapt the changing environment and also perform a specialized roles within organisms, maintain a basic metabolic processes necessary for survival. RNAP can initiate the transcription in specific DNA sequences known as promoters. Mainly this helps in the transcription, therefore hardly surprising that the activity of RNAP is long, complex and highly regulated. This is about the RNA polymerase and special thanks to Dr. Muralidhar from SK University for giving us this opportunity and platform to represent our biotech side, and we are all really love biotechnology department and thanking you finally I'm giving a small quotation to all: save water, save it, save environment, all are in your hands. Keep smiling. Thank you one and all for giving this opportunity. Once again, thank you sir for giving this opportunity.